on my channel. Now in this video we are going to be going over my stocks and shares ISA. The value is currently set at £40,263.39p. As you can see, we currently have £19,269.38p of free funds, which I am continuously dollar cost averaging in this portfolio every single day. I'm doing £180 dollar cost average in this portfolio every single day to get rid of these free funds ready for the new tax year, which I will then do a lump sum of 20k and dollar cost average that over the next financial year. But before we get into this video, if you could please hit the like button, drop a subscription down below and turn the notifications on so you don't miss a video. We do videos on my ISA portfolio here, as well as my general investing account. As you can see, that's almost at 20k there as well. Now let's jump straight into this video. So if we go into the holdings, you can see then how everything is weighted for my ETFs. Now in my in my ISA portfolio, I use the brokerage Trading 212. If you want to join Trading 212, I'll leave a link in the description where you can get a free share when you sign up. But yep, as you can see, we only do ETFs, long-term holdings. I don't plan on using this money anytime soon. I plan on continuing to increase my net worth in these portfolios and continue to build up some nice positions here. So S&P 500 is 50% weighted of everything. I'm betting 50% of my portfolio in the US stock market. I think that's a pretty safe and easy bet to make from hundreds of years of research. iShares Global Clean Energy. Clean energy is becoming massive across the world, so we've got 10% weighted there. We've got 10% going into the FTSE 100, the top 100 companies in the UK, and that's only weighted 10%. I'm in the UK and I'm only betting 10% of my portfolio in the UK, so you can see that there. We've got an all-world high dividend yield ETF here, weighted at 10%, which I want to keep increasing this to get some dividends out of this and keep reinvesting those dividends into the portfolio. We've got Vanguard FTSE emerging markets. Again, emerging markets, markets that are coming up, markets that don't have a massive market cap. And you can see that's only weighted at 10%. Physical gold, it's always good to hold some gold. So we've got that at 5%. And a global water ETF at also 5% there. Everyone always needs water. So if we take a look at the portfolio over the last week, you can see we were down about £445. Actually, we were down more than that at the peak of it, I do believe. Let's see here, 446. Yeah, okay, we're down about, okay, wow, almost 400. Yeah, well, over that. 2.23% is the lowest we've been down this week. Over this month, though, we have been down over almost £1,000 here. And the max we've ever been is up about £800, I do believe, or almost £1,000 there. So over the last day, then you can see we were down about 145 yesterday, came down to about below 190, now up £90. So we made almost £300 today on this portfolio, actually. You can see the S&P today done a really weird thing, okay? It came up and we were up over £83 on this portfolio. And then we took this massive nosedive at 12:30 and we lost over £450 of value. And then it came back up literally 15 minutes later. And now we're back up above about £90. So it was quite interesting to see this happen. I don't know what stock caused this, but let's go ahead and take a look at the individual positions. So Global Clean Energy is up 5.85%. Global Clean Water is up 1.6%, or iShares Global Clean Energy is up £116. Global Clean Energy up £28. Physical gold, basically a break even, down only £4 there. FTSE 100, again, about a break even, only down £9 there. FTSE All High Dividend Yield is up 3.92%, or £36.69p. The Emerging Markets ETF is down slightly, it's down £108 or 4%. But again, this is emerging markets. This is what emerging markets does, okay? These are emerging markets. This is a very risky play here for this portfolio. So I may actually lower the weight of this emerging markets ETF, which I do believe, yes, about 12% right now. So I might bring this down and start maybe selling some shares here to average out. I'm not sure. Or just keep this going and basically lower the percentage weight in that ETF. Because when I go ahead and do my deposit, I just come over to the pie and then go ahead and dollar cost average the 180 a day, which I've calculated for the trading days until the next financial year is what I need to invest to get those free funds down to zero. And the S&P 500, then again, we got about £10,400 in here, and that is up £11.84p, so nothing crazy. But you can see again, tried and tested. I mean, look, you can't argue with these facts. This is how the S&P performs, about 8% a year on average. So I'm continuing to average into this for the long term. So there you go, guys. There is the portfolio. There is my ISA update. Let me know down below if there's any other ETFs that you recommend me jumping into. I mean, there's a bunch here that we could go into. yeah, I mean, there's just so many in these that we can actually go into here. We could probably even get some REITs into this portfolio and add some income here. We could add this Apple Hospitality REIT that does pay a dividend yield of 5.97%. But part of me is like, yeah, I want to get some more allocation and some more ETFs in here. But then the other part of me saying this is just a long-term, tried and tested portfolio. Just keep what you've got in here. Maybe add the iShares property if that's something that I'm interested in, adding property. But to be honest, I think I'm just going to keep with these for now and increase this potentially as we go further into the years. I mean, this is only my second year, or really first year of investing in this portfolio. And these are the shares that I currently own. So I don't know what I'm going to do, if I'm going to add some new ones or just keep it how it is. Let me know what you think down below. With that being said, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.